So let's breathe that into meditation. Everything is holy now. Think of the bird you heard on the grounds on your way in or out your window this morning. It is filled with life, intelligence, substance. It sings songs. It has songs in it to sing, as do we. There is a mighty harmony, a mighty rhythm to the spirit of life. It exists within us. It exists among us. It binds us. We are bound to all living things, from center to circumference. We are one with the one with the holy. There is no place God is not. For life, intelligence, substance is everywhere present and inexhaustible. So as we remember this truth this morning, we allow ourselves a holy exhale. It may feel like, and validly so, things are falling apart. The bottom dropped out. There is loss, and you have lost. There is a deeper truth. There are living waters. And we know how to bring our cup to those waters. In the silence, we dip it in, and in community, we partake of the spiritual substance. So I invite you to 3 deep breaths, connecting with the God of your understanding, breathing into the source of all love that knows no name, needs no name, is simply known when we peel away any of the constructs that might limit our experience of the divine. So we open up mind, body, and spirit in the sacred silence. returning our awareness to the breath. We trust that in the silence we receive, not the list of things we think we need, not in this immediate moment, but we receive. So we breathe forward, we move forward, knowing that even the hairs on the head have been counted. The grains of sand at the water are known. And that as the planets are kept in motion and our feet are rooted on the earth, we are truly kept and cared for. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know they are born blessed and here to be a blessing. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. And so it is. Namaste.